Hello and welcome to this Excel 216 Foundation training course. My name is David Murray and I've run training courses since the mid-80s right across Europe, from London to Moscow inclusive. The sort of courses I've taught range from technical support and operating system courses through to end user Microsoft Office training, plus more recently SEO and WordPress training courses. For the past 10 years I've been based here in Australia and have built up an impressive record for delivering online training courses. Now, this course is designed as a short introduction to Excel, but it also shows you how powerful this program is. For instance, if you look at this screen here, I've just typed in the word day and total sales and a couple of figures here, and let's say I type in the word Monday and press return. One of the nice things about Excel, it does lots of things for you if you know how to do it. For instance, if I click here, go to this little button here in the corner and drag that down, instead of having to type in the days of the week, it just did them all for me. Let's say I wanted to create a chart. You might think that's quite difficult. All I do is I click on this tab here, I go to where it says chart here, and I can just take the recommended chart, click on OK, and bang, there's my chart. I mean, how easy was that? As you can see, this took seconds. Let's say I wanted to just total up this column of figures here. I could get a calculator out, or alternatively, I could click where it says auto sum, press return, bang, there's your answer, sorted. Let's say you wanted those formatted so that they display the dollar symbol, you just drag across them. Then if you look up here in the ribbon, you just click there and press return. That just indicates it doesn't fit, so you just click there to move it out. These are the sort of things you're going to see on the course. If you want a more detailed idea of what's covered in the course, you can look at the course contents in Udemy, or on screen here you can see these are the sort of things we cover in the first chapter, and then we go into things like selection techniques, then we go into manipulation techniques. It's very important in Excel, along with other programs, that you select things before you manipulate them. We then go on to looking at sort of manipulating cells and catch cells contents. We look at what are called Excel 216 worksheets. Then we look at font formatting, aligning formatting options, number formatting options, freezing rows and titles. Then we look at sort of formulas, how you can get Excel to automate things, add things up. Then we look at functions. You saw a function example in that very quick demo I showed you earlier on, where basically you just went to the bottom of a column, clicked on what's called the auto sum, and that used the auto sum function to just total up the numbers for you. In the same way, you could work out things like the average number or the maximum or minimum number, stuff like that. So as you'll see, that's very, very simple to use. Charts, as you saw, it took me seconds to create a chart. If you work through the course, you'll find that not only can you create the charts very easily, you can modify them. So for instance, let's say you didn't want that chart there, you wanted a different type of chart. You just click on the insert menu here, and within the chart section here, you could basically think, okay, I could go to a different type of chart. So I could click here, and I could think, oh, I'll have that chart instead. And there we go. So as you've seen, very, very easy to use. So as I say, if you're looking for a quick introduction to Excel to get you started, this is definitely the course for you. Incidentally, if you look at the course within Udemy, prior to signing up, there's a number of preview courses you can take. So basically you can see what's involved and how to do things. So have a look, and I hope you'll join the course, and I look forward to your feedback after taking the course.